like you lost another one.
Good morning, YouTube. Day 4. We are finally at our Airbnb. We're in Ghana, man. We're in North Legon. Come inside. Come check out our Airbnb. We got a pool right here. That pool is a little small for my liking compared to the size of the house. It's amazing vibes regardless. Let's go inside. Let's go check out everything. Got the front porch. Amazing crib, CCTV, plants, and greenery. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. So if you're scared about coming to Africa, you're scared about getting out your comfort zone, I'm telling you, do not stress. Ghana is lovely. The people are friendly. The food is great. The weather is warm. It's beautiful. Let me stop talking too much. Let's check out this Airbnb. Let's check it out. We got the standard traditional living room, TV, lights in the ceiling, marble floors. I mean, come on, like everything is up to T, up to par. You got a dining table that can fit about maybe 10 people, or that's 5, 7. You can probably put 2 more seats in there. There's a TV in the dining room as well. You got 2 AC units on the first floor. Beautiful decor. Let's walk into the kitchen real quick. See what we have going on here. I mean, we have everything in Ghana. Everything is in Ghana. We don't sleep on trees. I'm telling you, we do not sleep on trees. If y'all think we sleep on trees, well, this is the proof that we don't. You got your oven, you got a countertop gas stove, microwave. I lost my voice, man. I've been partying all week. This is day 4. I'm partying all week, running. You got your standard fridge. We're not done. We're just getting started. There's a bathroom down there. This is where you store all your bottles, you know, your little wine cellar. And I know you guys see this, man. It's unbelievable. This is what it feels like. As we head upstairs, let this all soak in, man. Let this all soak in. You got marble countertop stairs. Everything is solid. This is not drywall. You cannot punch through this wall. You will break the fuck out of your hand. Don't even try it. Down on the second level, the second floor. Beautiful ceiling. Beautiful light fixture. I mean, it's definitely something to witness when you're in Ghana. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms in this house. 4 bedrooms in this house, and then you have a upstairs, you know, sitting area. You want to chill. You want to do some things, some good and bad things. You can do it here. And then we got a balcony, so let's head out there. And you got a balcony that oversees most of the city. You can see everything around here. Let that soak in, people. So this is day 4 YouTube. We're gonna get right back to it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You already know, show some love, show some hate. Have a good day, good week, good month, good vibes, all the above. Peace out.